Good morning, student. Today we are discussing Woodward-Fisher rule. Last two videos we are discussed about UV visible spectroscopy, in which we are discussed the Beer-Lambert theory and the solvent effect and hydrogen bonding effect on the IR range wavelength values. And now we are discuss Woodward-Fisher rule. By the help of Woodward-Fisher rule, we can calculate the lambda max value for the organic compounds, homomolecular and heteromolecular dienes, conjugated dienes. These empirical rules are used for determination of lambda max of unsaturated systems. First, homoannular and heteroannular dienes. For example, 1,3-butadiene, or you can see the examples. We can say the homoannular and heteroannular. Which compound is homoannular or which compound is heteroannular? By the help of this rule, we can calculate lambda max wavelength, maximum wavelength for unsaturated dienes. We have exocyclic double bond, rings residue, alkyl substituent, and double bond exchanging conjugation. Exocyclic double bond we are showing by star, and ring residue alkyl substituent shows by 0, and double bond extending conjugation on second. By the help of for determination of lambda max, homoannular system takes preference over heteroannular systems. Now we can see a determination of lambda max of dienes. We are give the lambda max for homoannular diene to 53 nanometer, and heteroannular dienes 215 nanometer, and butadiene 1,3-butadiene to 217 nanometer, and 135 triene 145 sorry 245 nanometer dienes. And increments, what is the increments? Increments is the alkyl residue double bond extending or substituent which extend which increase the lambda max values of the conjugated dienes. uh, we can give the values for exocyclic double bond or ring residue or alkyl substituent 5 nanometer, and double bond extending conjugation 30 nanometer, and Nr2 60 nanometer, OR 6 nanometer, chlorine 5 nanometer. We can solve this problem, calculate lambda max in following system using Woodward-Fisher rule. By the help of Woodward-Fisher rule, we can calculate the lambda max for first example. This is the heteroannular diene, which are the, and we can give the 215 lambda max for nanometer, and in this 4 are the alkyl substituent ring residue, and we can calculate, and the solution is done in this slide. We can calculate the lambda max for these examples. And now we are say about Woodward-Fisher rule for determination of lambda max in alpha beta unsaturated compound. For alpha beta unsaturated compound, the lambda max is in this unsaturated alpha beta unsaturated compound X. When X is alkyl, then we give 215 nanometer, and X is H hydrogen, then we can give 207 nanometer, and X is OR/OH, then 193 nanometer in the alpha beta unsaturated compound. We can show increments. We can see increment alkyl substituent or ring residue. We give when X alkyl substituent when position is alpha, then we can give 10, add, and then at beta position then we add 12, and gamma we add 18. As इसी प्रकार homoannular diene system 39 nanometer add, and double bond extending conjugation 30 nanometer, then 1 exocyclic double bond 0.5 nanometer. Base value for cyclopropanol system 202 nanometer. For each exocyclic double bond in 5 and 7 membered ring except cyclopentanone 0.5 nanometer. Uh, by the help of these values, we can solve the problems. Calculate lambda max for values for following systems. And now we are discuss about steric hindrance and coplanarity. By in the Woodward-Fisher rule, the coplanarity steric hindrance, when coplanarity of two rings is disturbed by steric hindrance, then lambda max value decrease due to decrease in conjugation, and lambda max goes below shift. Generally, in geometrical isomers, lambda max values of trans isomer is higher than cis isomer. Now we can see the examples of the cis and trans lambda max values. Then trans is the more have more lambda max value than cis. Comparison cis type of absorption band. The absorption band are four type: K band, R band, B band, and E band. In the K band, pi to pi star transitions take place. For example, alkenes, alkynes. Then now R band. R band is the important absorption band in which non-bonding to pi star transitions take place. For example, carbonyl compounds. And next is B band. Pi to pi star transitions, electronic transitions take place in this absorption band. And in the example of B band, aromatics compounds are found. Then next is E band. E band are two types, E1 and E2. Here pi to pi star transitions take place. Aromatic compounds found in this example. Uh, for example, benzene shows 3 absorption band, lambda max 184 nanometer. For this, eta max is 80,000. Name is band E1 band, and 204 nanometer. For this, uh, eta max extension in coefficient is 7,900. This is called E2 band. And 256 lambda max value is 256. For this, E max is 200, and this is called B band. Now